Looking at the Dremel 4000, now this is a newly revamped rotary tool with a special feature. Let's check it out. This model is variable speed and it's got a nice little bench hook that you can hang it on. I like that that snaps and folds out of your way when not in use. But the special feature that separates this model is this threaded nose cap, and this is actually used as the wrench to swap out your accessories. And the way that works is you just depress the shaft lock, unthread that nose cap, and it actually has a wrench built into it. Loosen up your nut and you can swap out any of your attachments. We'll go from the sanding attachment to a grinding attachment, tighten up that collet again, and just thread the nose cap back in place. So you don't have to hunt for that small wrench, and the tool is always right attached to your Dremel within easy reach. Plus, the 4000 comes packaged with this beveled attachment that's great for sharpening tools and the familiar routing and drywall cutting accessory. And that threads on, and it's perfect to use with a spiral bit for making openings for new outlets in your drywall. Or just use the wire wheel for some light rust removal. And I like that everything tucks neatly away in the included case when you're done with your work. So if you're in the market for a corded Dremel tool and you really like the idea of that nose cap that lets you change out the accessories without even using a wrench, I would say the Dremel 4000 is the one to get.